Jen from Lexikat, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to upload and analyze an Excel file using lexikat.com. So the first step is to click on the Upload New File button. You then select your file from wherever you've saved it on the PC. So today, for this example, I'm going to be using data from ipaidabribe.com, just because that's a research project we've been working on for a while. The language in this case is already set to English, so there's no problem there. So then you can just click on Upload. Now, the file will appear immediately in your library, and you get to see a progress indicator showing how far along the analysis is. This is a pretty big file. I think it's about 7,000 lines of Excel. But however big the file is that you upload, it shouldn't take more than a few seconds to a minute to process it. So you can see at the moment it is nearly done, and when it is done, the results will just appear automatically in the main screen. So I'll just get rid of that. So from this point you can zoom in and out, you can move around, and you can see that it's picked out the main themes of the document, which is obviously about paying bribes. So you've got the amount of money that people have paid, you've got people talking about bribery here, you've got policemen, you've got where they paid the bribe, how they paid, these kind of things. But obviously no AI is ever going to be perfect, and you're going to want to edit your categorization model. So here, for example, you can see it's picked out two separate categories for policemen, which is obviously a mistake, so you might want to edit that just by moving them across like this. What you can also do, for example, if you want to delete a word, just delete it, and you can see, oops, sorry. You can see the category is just gone now. What you can do, if you so wish as well, is to add words. So, for example, cop. Let's add that into the police category. And you can see, yeah, there it is. Or if you want to add a whole new topic, so for example, let's talk about the Aadhaar card, which I know that is a big deal at the moment. So yeah, there it is. And you can see the new topic has been added in. So once you're happy with the categorization model that you've created, you can click to see the original text, which is now color-coded according to the categories that you picked out. You can just skim through and see what the main topics are. You can look at the statistics relating to each topic. So this will give you the number of mentions in total of a given word. So you can see there's 1,997 mentions of bribe. But it will also tell you how many rows in the Excel table mentioned it. So some of these rows, they did actually say bribe twice, and sometimes you just want to count the number of rows rather than the number of mentions, so you can do that here. What you can also see are the relevant graphs. So in this case, you can see the total number of mentions again, and the total number of rows mentioning the topic. Once you're happy with your model and your statistical analysis, all you have to do is click Save here, and it will save your model, and then from then on it's going to be in your library and you can come back to it whenever you want to. Okay, thanks very much for listening. I hope you have a good rest of the day, and I hope you enjoy doing lots of analysis on lexikat.com in future. Thanks, bye!